Arkansas 834, Mary, Sam. 834.
At 2:05 a.m. on Sunday, December the 22nd, 2024, troopers were alerted to a swerving black Chevy Malibu crawling along I-530 North in Arkansas. Despite driving below speed limits, the driver refused to pull over when signaled.
Speeds are up to about 75. Go ahead and show me 1037.
10-4, 1030.
We're getting on 30 eastbound, passing Roseville. Speed's 80, no traffic.
Getting on Roosevelt.
TVI. Just past.
After merging onto I-30 East and accelerating to 80 miles per hour, officers executed a tactical vehicle intervention. The Malibu spun out and came to rest on the shoulder. The driver, Nicholas Stewart, reeked of alcohol, slurred his words, and failed to stand steady. His passengers walked free. He didn't. Drunk driving, he sobered up fast in county lockup before sunrise.
Open the door and step out. They're compliant right now. Get out of the car. Hey, put your hands up right now. Just keep your hands up, man, all right? Face away from me, walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Get down on your knees right there, buddy. You have any weapons on you or anything? You're just being detained right now, okay? You're not under arrest at this point.
On the afternoon of December the 17th, 2021, in Paulding County, Georgia, a blue Dodge Charger was clocked doing 84 miles per hour in a 45 zone. When police lit up their sirens, the driver refused to stop, recklessly overtaking in a no-passing zone and sparking a dangerous pursuit.
684 pound, I'm fixing to beat 1080. Hiram Sudi headed to Bill Carruth's blue Mustang White Racing Stripe 1080. Bad 1050 in the school bus, bad 1050 in the school bus. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
The chase ended when the Charger slammed into the rear of a school bus and slid down an embankment. Inside were Isaiah Raphael Frank and his 5-year-old daughter. Both escaped serious injury, but 2 people on the bus were hospitalized. A loaded Glock was also found at Frank's feet. Speeding, gun on board, and a kid in the car, this fast and furious dad just hit the brakes on his own freedom.
Let me grab some blood, watch me for just a second, okay? 684 pound. 39 on radio, 39 on radio. Let me see what we got yet, and I'll let you know who, if anybody we need to call. I think everybody's okay for the most part. Yeah. No, he was running. I was trying to catch him. Good? Yeah.
On the morning of May 10th, 2024, in Atlanta, police spotted a red Dodge Ram TRX with illegal window tinting. When the driver sped off, officers gave chase through residential streets along Bolton Road.
God damn it!
Looks like maybe Martin Luther King and Bolton Road.
Are you calling 810-8?
713 Atlanta. 713. Go ahead and start EMS and skirt.
The pursuit barely began before it ended in disaster. The Dodge crashed heavily, leaving the driver's seat partially ejected from the cab. Kaiwan Tucker, wanted on a shoplifting warrant, was found unresponsive, still strapped in. Inside the truck, a ghost gun and suspected crack cocaine. Running from the law with drugs and an untraceable weapon. This Ram's final stop came with no road ahead.
From Atlanta, I'm out with 713. It's going to be a confirmed 1050S, single officer. We've got Bolton Road shut down and have fire en route for major gas for you.
Yeah, I'm going to move around. God damn it.
Yes, I do.
The reason in Atlanta also is going to be a single vehicle, 1050, just a violator vehicle.
Hey, brother, you got a fire extinguisher?
No.
I'll get mine in a second.
At 12:32 p.m. on Sunday, October 2nd, 2022, Georgia officers chased a white Toyota Corolla, hitting 110 miles per hour on I-75 after a speeding violation. The suspect swerved dangerously, dodged spike strips, and raced through Lowndes County with police in hot pursuit.
So no road blockage. Go and roll 51.
State Patrol executed a PIT manoeuvre, sending the Corolla crashing into the median and into the woods. The driver fled on foot but was arrested hiding on a nearby porch. A backpack he ditched contained marijuana packages and a firearm. Brandon Rozier, 23, wanted for armed robbery and kidnapping, gambled on a wild escape. Turns out, luck ran out at exit 18.
Last guy, Sheriff's Office, K9, you show me your hands! Get him! Get him! Get him, Carlos, get him! Get him! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Go ahead.
I'm not bucking on. Put your hands back on the chest.
10-3.
I'm not bucking. God, they ain't gonna put the dog in my ain't bucking on.
I gave you an announcement. You wanted to sit there lay quiet?
I ain't bucking.
We're 95. Hey, I told you, S.
Damn.
Yeah, we're good. We're 95.
Good job. Damn, I ain't got nothing, bro. You ain't got to do all that shit, bro.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, God, nothing, bro.
Alright, come on, stand up.
At 10:44 p.m. on Friday, February 21st, 2025, in Atkins, Arkansas, police chased a suspect hurling burning debris from his vehicle and ramming patrol cars on State Highway 105. The reckless driver repeatedly reversed into officers, damaging 2 cruisers.
Jake Wells.
He sped through residential yards, circling back to strike again. After colliding with a third patrol car, both vehicles were disabled. The suspect barricaded himself inside, spraying accelerants and triggering an explosion out the driver's window. Officers used beanbag rounds to shatter the window and arrest him. Couldn't escape, couldn't burn out. Now facing fiery charges in court.
Bust it out! Get it out!
12 o'clock, 10:15.
God, 13 primary.
On November 10th, 2024, in Arkansas, police were assisting a stranded motorist when a deputy initiated pursuit of a Chevy Avalanche with fake Tennessee plates. The driver, Michael Barnes, wrestled with an officer, stole his taser, and fled recklessly, forcing multiple cars off Interstate 40.
I'll kill you! You better fucking stop, motherfucker! You're a gunpoint! I'll shoot you! I will shoot you! I will shoot you! You better stay where you fucking are! You better not even fucking sneeze! You better stay where you fucking are! I'm watching you! I told him to stop, I was begging him to stop. You better stay where you fucking are, motherfucker! You gonna make these people You better stay where you fucking are. Yeah, play that fucking game now. Give me your fucking hands. You're a fucking idiot. Yeah, play that game now. Get the fuck up. Get up. I just seen you run. Get up. Get the fuck up. You're a fucking idiot.
Near mile marker 263, officers executed a textbook TVI, spinning the suspect's car into a ditch. Barnes fled on foot, but surrendered in thick brush. His passenger complied immediately. Open alcohol containers littered the vehicle. The smell of booze hung thick in the air. Hot pursuit, cold beers, and a hard landing behind bars.
10-4-10-15.
Oh, we ain't talking no more. Get your ass up. Get up.
I didn't do nothing. I told him to stop.
Get up.
I ain't never been in no trouble.
Oh, y'all in trouble today?
I ain't do nothing.
Where y'all coming from?
I was riding with him.
Where y'all coming from?
I was in Memphis.
Where y'all from?
Memphis, Tennessee. That one.
Oh yeah, y'all in Arkansas. Get up here in this car.
I'm gonna get up there. I ain't gonna do nothing wrong.
Don't y'all know nothing?
I didn't do nothing. I told them to stop.
Sit right there.
Okay. I told him to stop me.